So how long it will take to fix them, Doc? Well, it will take a few days, but I think in a few days, Tanner will be up and rolling again. I hope so. Feel better, Tanner. Feel better, buddy. I hope you feel better. Well, it's time to fix this too. And with that, folks, D14 of Tanner Perker has returned. Yes. Apparently, after my bad crash that I suffered a few days ago, I'm ready and raring, the best feeling in the world. Now that I have a brand new engine of 1800 horsepower, I'm ready for the Piston Cup. Well, see you racers at the track.